Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your region in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your account management page where you can view and modify your personal information and settings. Once you're on the account details page, look at the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find several options related to your account configuration. Click on the option that says Update Store Country. This is the feature that allows you to change which regional Steam store you're accessing, which is important because different regions have different game prices, availability, and currency options. Now, here's something crucial to understand. In order to enable this region change, you must first complete a purchase in your new location. Steam requires this verification step to prevent abuse of regional pricing differences. So before you can select your new country, you'll need to make at least one transaction using a payment method from that region. This could be buying a game, adding funds to your wallet, or purchasing any content from the Steam store. After you've completed a successful payment, Steam updates your region automatically based on the payment information you used. The system detects your location through your payment method and adjusts your store country accordingly. This process usually happens right away, so you won't need to wait long to see the changes reflected in your account. Alternatively, you can also use a VPN if you want to access Steam from a different region. A VPN allows you to connect to servers in other countries, which can change how Steam perceives your location. However, keep in mind that using a VPN with Steam should be done carefully, as the platform has specific policies about regional restrictions and account security. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam region and can now access the store content available in your new location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.